The K.R. directed epic starring Prithviraj Kapoor, Dilip Kumar and Madhubala commenced a grand voyage that would see it entertain millions across different generations, along with leaving a wonderful legacy that is going strong today. But equally remarkable was the long journey it took to make the movie and all the incredible behind-the-scenes stories.
कार्रवाई शुरू हो।
बनाम नूरुद्दीन मोहम्मद सलीम, इल्जाम है कि तुमने महल की एक अदना कनीज की खातिर वली अहदी के एजाज को बदनाम किया, शाही अहकाम की तौहीन की, महकमा फौज के मोतमिद और वफादार राजपूत दुर्जन सिंह को गद्दारी पर उकसाया और अनारकली को फरार कराया। तुमने शहंशाह वक्त की फौजों को बरगलाया और बगावत की।
ये तमाम इल्जामात वापस लिए जा सकते हैं। तुम्हारी तमाम नादानियां, नाफरमानियां माफ की जा सकती हैं और हम तुम पर एक बार फिर मेहरबान हो सकते हैं अगर तुम अनारकली वापस कर दोगे।
60th anniversary of Bollywood's greatest film K.R.'s Mughal-e-Azam, which smashed box office records and set new benchmarks when it released to great fanfare on August 5, 1960. Film has many interesting facts connected to it.
एक रकासा के पैरों की पाजेब बनाना चाहते हो। तुम हिंदुस्तान के मुकद्दस तख्त पर एक हसीन लौंडी को नचाना चाहते हो
और आप इस भरे दरबार में अपनी होने वाली बहू को जलील करना चाहते हैं।
खामोश!
अगर आज शहंशाह इंसाफ के पर्दे में अपनी शिकस्त का इंतकाम ही लेना चाहता है तो उसे अनारकली नहीं मिलेगी, उसे अपने बेटे की जान लेनी होगी।
Mughal-e-Azam was the highest budgeted movie ever made in India, and if inflation along with the colorization process is taken into account, it still holds on to that record today. It took 16 years in total to get Mughal-e-Azam made. K.R. originally conceptualized the film in 1944 with Chandramohan, Veena and Nargis in the lead roles. K.R. shot 2 reels of Mughal-e-Azam with Chandramohan and Nargis, but then partition in 1947 halted production after the original financiers decided to migrate to Pakistan. All the footage that had been shot went to waste 2 years later because original lead star Chandramohan died aged 42 in 1949. A chorus of 100 singers was used for the film's song "Ae Mohabbat Zindabad." Tabla maestro Ustad Zakir Hussain was considered for the role of young Prince Salim. The role eventually went to Jalal Agha. More than 2,000 camels, 4,000 horses and 8,000 troops were used in the epic battle between Akbar the Great and Prince Salim. Real jewels were used throughout the movie, including in a scene where pearls are scattered across the floor and necklaces thrown away. This added to the opulence and authenticity of the epic. Despite suffering from a serious heart condition, Madhubala was wrapped in real chains in the scene where she was imprisoned. Superstar Hollywood director David Lean and legendary Italian filmmaker Roberto Rossellini visited the sets of Mughal-e-Azam. Mughal-e-Azam won a national award for Best Feature Film. Madhubala is widely regarded as the most beautiful ever Bollywood star, but Mughal-e-Azam is the only time cinema fans saw her in color. By the time filming concluded, more than 1 million feet of negative had been used, and the excessive running time meant that almost half the songs were edited out from the final cut. The grand premiere of the movie was held at the 1100 capacity Maratha Mandir Cinema in Mumbai. The foyer was decorated to look like a Mughal palace, and a 40-foot cutout of Prithviraj Kapoor was erected outside. The film's reel arrived at the premiere on an elephant accompanied by giant budgels. The Mughal-e-Azam premiere remains the most star-studded in Bollywood history, with nearly every A-list celebrity attending. The superstars who attended included Raj Kapoor, Devanand, Waheeda Rahman, Nutan, Suraiya, Geeta Bali, Shami Kapoor, Guru Dutt, Rajendra Kumar, Rajkumar, Meena Kumari, Nimmi and Pran. The tickets for Mughal-e-Azam were sold out for 7 weeks in advance at Bombay's Maratha Mandir, and the film had an uninterrupted run for 3 years at the Grand Cinema.
मुगले आजम को 60 साल हुए, बहुत बड़ी बात है। और वही मुगले आजम हमारे मराठा मंदिर में 17 साल चली, 17 साल एक सरीखी चली। और क्या बात थी, क्या जलवे थे। वो 17 साल के अंदर एक दिन ऐसा नहीं था कि वो हाउसफुल नहीं थी। और रेट ऐसा था, हंसेंगे आप लोग, लेकिन जो हकीकत है 8 आना रुपया, 1.5 रुपया। 1958 जब रिलीज हुई। मजे की बात तो यह है कि एक शो खाली नहीं गया था, लोग भर भर के आते थे। उस वक्त घोड़े के ऊपर दिलीप साहब आए थे, पालकी के अंदर मधुबाला जी आई थी, और पूरी प्रिंट हाथी के ऊपर आई थी। पृथ्वीराज कपूर से लेके पूरी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ने प्रीमियर देखा था।
When the 100th anniversary of Indian cinema was marked in 2013, Mughal-e-Azam was universally declared the greatest movie film ever made. The historical epic has inspired books, paintings, theme park attractions, dance groups, aspiring filmmakers, actors, stage plays, historical films, and even the name of businesses around the world. And receiving universal praise since its release 60 years ago. Patiently investing your time and emotions even today in this eternal romance between two star-crossed lovers, you'll feel their pain. It will move you. It will stay with you. What makes a movie great is whether it connects to your emotions, and this one surely does. I hope you must have liked our special show today. We will keep bringing you such shows in future as well. So keep watching. Stay tuned. Namaskar.